So today this session is about the quick overview about how to transfer a call from let's say from your Microsoft Copilot to any of the agents, right? So this is the overview, and once you go to the channels over here, right? What you will see is these are the channels where we can integrate our bot, or this is where your bot will be displayed. And if you scroll down, you will see customer engagement hub, right? And what they are showing over here are these are the out of the box support uh, for the uh, customer service, right? And this is where your agent will be sitting. If if you are using Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can use Dynamics 365 customer service, right? And then there are the Genesis, Salesforce, and also these are there. And they have given something called custom engagement, right? If these are not from what you are using in your industry or in your firm, right? What you can use is something called SDK from the Copilot, and you have to develop the whole flow, right? And they have given some C sharp code example over here, which you can leverage to uh, generate or show your hand of capabilities from Microsoft Copilot to your bot side. So yeah, this is just an overview where from where you can configure, and this is where if you are having Microsoft 365 customer service, right? This comes under Dynamics 365 uh, Microsoft one. So yeah, this is just a small overview. Thank you. Have a nice day.